In general, the goat is known as poor man's cow, and goat farming is a very important component of dry land. Goat farming needs low investment, but generates higher returns to the farmers. The products of the goats like manure, milk and fiber also have high demand in the market. Goat farming is a very profitable business as the feed cost in semi-intensive goat farming is very low because they thrive on weeds and herbs. Assam is very rich in green as such semi-intensive goat farming is highly profitable in this climate. In Assam, the breeds that are reared by the farmers are not just the native breeds of Assam, they also rear some other breeds of Punjab like Beetle and Siroi and raise some crossbreed varieties. Goat meat is very much in demand in this part of the country.